Basically, we want to rent a boat today, and so we drove here. It was like not long from condo, and now we asked the guide if we could rent a boat, and he's gonna get back to us. But we should be
so
going.
bright.
It's so nice outside.
It's super
amazing.
My eyes hurt. I was stupid. I didn't take my sunglasses.
I don't have sunglasses though.
I have 2 pairs, bro. I'm so stupid.
We're gonna have a good time on the boat. Yeah. So Dad, you're gonna drive the boat? What did he say?
How do we close this radio?
What happened, Dad? There was a huge boat that came in front of us and he had to go to the side and he couldn't.
He went right in front of us.
I was gonna be dead now, but lucky we're alive.
Oh my god!
Saved by God,
Dad, there's a boat. There's a boat. You have to go around it.
No. We're driving a boat and the thing there, and a big boat was gonna run us over. I don't know. It was pure luck.
It was not. You're a drama.
No, the guy stopped the boat.
But it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. It was pretty bad.
It wasn't that bad.
I didn't know how to stop it. I didn't know
It was pretty bad. If he wouldn't stop it, it would go in front of him and it would just crash. Breathe. Just breathe. You're fine. You're fine.
I can't breathe.
That was the one for the train. Look how low.
Okay, we're good.
I'm gonna take a paddle, but I hold
No. Don't touch the paddle, Sophia.
Bro.
Oh my god.
We're just gonna go right here. Hold on.
Right.
Well, we can't go left, bro.
Oh, really? Yeah, so you're the one who said, we came this way. So,
Oh my god.
I literally said it. We didn't come this way.
Let's port the boat here and tell them to come and get it.
You have to go right. Beach, boy.
We're gonna go surfing.
We're gonna go surfing. Could we rent some jet skis today?
We can go get killed some more. Didn't work yesterday.
Didn't work yesterday, so we can go some jet skis.
You don't know how to drive.
Yeah, I know.
Or hold the chair, apparently.
It broke.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And wouldn't it be nice to live together in the kind of world where we belong? Wouldn't it be nice if we were older? Then we wouldn't.
And this one?
Well, that's a spoon. You can put it down. Try this. Try any kombucha one.
He's not gonna like it. It's like a sprinkly drink. It's glass.
Try, like, read it. It's really good.
It's a
for
sparkly
you.
drink.
It's healthy. It's better than Coke. Your green Coke or green Coke, whatever you're drinking.
Oh, I don't think that.
Change.
Oh, green.
What is it?
Lime.
Lime wood.
Oh, the Spanish, the Mexican drink, whatever.
Lime Coke.
Oh, you did drink your green Coke. Sounds good, eh? Yeah, the watermelon. We're doing cosmic cranberry.
Words of enlightenment.
Say it again.
They made me spend money on organic kombucha. Kombucha.
Marina, it's kombucha.
Look, here's to kombucha.
It's good, bro. It's healthy. Didn't you like the fact it only has 34 calories or
Yeah,
something?
but I would have tried to drink the other thing.
Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna try and sneak right over here. They have a really nice pool and some beds by the pool, and so we're going there.
Not a salmon, you were a card.
Hey, here we go. Escaping part 1. No. No, it's gonna close on him. No. Okay, you have the key.
Okay, alright.
Oh, thank you.
You're so bad at this, honestly.
That you really gonna do hell with the gate, bro. You. This is so pretty though. This is literally the stupidest way to get in. You can't get in by here. This is for pets. It's a dead end. Oh my. It looks like we're in a jungle. What a place! My word. Where are we? I think it's hollow. It has to be outside. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe this is that good. Oh my god. Shoot, we made it. We made it. Yeah, right. Actually at the beach up like that. Oh my god. This is the cliffy, bro. We did it. Yo, guys, we did it. That's me in a bed. Here, I need some good pictures.
Okay, you want to have the pictures or you want
Oh, good. So we came to Jackson's and got some ice cream.
I got black cherry.
Not bad.
Yours or mine?
Which one sucks? Mine. I vote myself. Dad, don't you love this song? What the heck happened to your hand? You punched someone out?
No, I don't know. Only please, huh? This is, you know what it is? It's couvre existing. It's a couvre matelot thing.
Couvre matelot.
Tastes like vinegar. Yeah, that's what it's apple cider. Maybe just good for my kidneys too, eh?